If you're looking to save time and streamline your project management, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into CoConstruct and how its time-saving features can make your project management much more efficient. Stick around until the end because we have an exclusive bonus that can get you started for free, so don't miss out. First up, let's talk about automated daily logs. With CoConstruct, you can automatically generate daily logs from your team. No more chasing people down for updates or manually entering data. The software will create detailed logs with just a few clicks, saving you hours every week on administrative tasks. Next, the client communication tool. Keeping clients in the loop is crucial but time-consuming. CoConstruct offers a centralized platform for all communications. You can easily share project updates, schedules, and photos with your clients, ensuring they stay informed without having to field countless emails or phone calls. This reduces friction and lets you focus on what matters most. Now, let's dive into integrating with other tools. CoConstruct syncs with a range of industry tools like accounting and estimating software, so you can pull all your data into one place. This integration eliminates duplicate work and reduces the risk of mistakes, ensuring your projects run smoothly and efficiently. The less time you spend toggling between apps, the more time you can dedicate to your projects. Another time-saving feature is customizable templates. CoConstruct lets you create templates for common project tasks, whether it's creating a proposal, sending a budget update, or drafting a contract. You can save these templates and reuse them on multiple projects, cutting down the time it takes to get each job off the ground. Next thing is schedule management. CoConstruct has a built-in scheduling tool that keeps everything organized in one place. You can create and adjust schedules on the fly, and it'll automatically send updates to your team. This feature helps prevent missed deadlines and ensures your team is on the same page, saving you from unnecessary follow-ups and scheduling headaches. Now, let's talk about budget tracking. CoConstruct software allows you to keep track of budgets in real time. With a clear overview of expenses and variances, you'll know exactly where your project stands financially without having to sift through spreadsheets or manually calculate costs. This allows you to make timely decisions and keep your project on budget. The fourth thing I want to highlight is time tracking. CoConstruct gives you the ability to track your team's time directly within the platform, so you can easily monitor labor costs. This feature makes invoicing smoother and helps you identify potential bottlenecks, allowing you to make adjustments as needed. Finally, collaborative task management. CoConstruct allows team members to collaborate on tasks, comment, and track progress all in real time. This keeps everyone accountable and eliminates the need for constant check-ins, which can often lead to wasted time. With CoConstruct, your team stays organized and focused on completing tasks, not chasing each other down for updates. If you've been looking for a way to save time and streamline your project management, CoConstruct offers the perfect solution. And here's the best part. Using the first link in the description below, you can access an exclusive and extended free trial, so you can start saving time right away without any commitment. In summary, CoConstruct is packed with features that can help you run your projects more efficiently. From automated logs to budget tracking and team collaboration, these tools help you save time and focus on what really matters. Be sure to grab your free trial today using the link below and get started with CoConstruct's time-saving project management features.